creative friends, it's Eugenia from Art Meltemi's Atelier. Today's gonna be a really hot day here in Melbourne, and I thought I'm gonna make something quick and fast because up here in the attic I don't have air condition, so it's gonna get really hot. So I thought just to start just to do something quick. Minimum paintbrush. We're going to be using a lot the offcut from credit card, or you can use a knife palette, sorry, a palette knife. Or yeah, something like that you can use. Yeah, I will see how I go. I have chosen okay, the paper that I'm using today. This is a new pack. I got it because it's a volume pack. It's got 50 pages and it's 300 GSM watercolor paper, Winsor Newton, so the quality has to be good. It is not the 100% cotton, it's only 25% cotton, but it's acid free and it meant to be good quality for experiments like the one that I'm doing today. So yeah, it's cold press. Oh yeah, 50 pages. We've got lots of fun here to come. So yeah, here it is. I just mask it on my board, and today I'm going to use this big brush. I have this brush for years and I've never used it, believe it or not. Yeah, well, I don't even remember if it is synthetic or I just have to find on the internet to see if it's synthetic or actually real squirrel. I don't think so. Anyway, it was shedding a lot at the beginning because the first time I'm using it, but I hope that it is okay. The colors I have used, I'm going to be using today is the fresh paint from the tubes, Paul Rubens watercolors. I chose the red ochre, cadmium yellow medium, Hughes green, and Painter's grey. You can just pick whatever colors you want. Maybe I should have picked actually a brighter red. Maybe a madder red would do. I'm gonna just add this too because I would like something a little bit more punchy. Mud red, okay. Whatever, yeah. Okay, so let's do an experiment today. First I'm gonna wet not all my paper. I'm gonna just wet some of my paper. Just put water like this, and I will wait to not to dry completely, but to become a bit more now still to have the shine, but not to be blobby like it is now. Okay, so we'll wait for a couple of minutes till I start putting color on my credit card or my palette knife. So let's organize. So yeah, I think it's gonna help me arrange the colors the way I want to on here. So start with the Painter's grey and put some Mother's red, and let's get some yellow, and the paint is great too. you have to wet it a little bit more. Can still see the puddles. I don't want to see puddles on my paper. Maybe I should just smear it with my almost dry brush. Okay, I think now it's got the shine, but it doesn't have the puddles. And start so now all the preparation is done, and it's the time for fun. We start putting color as we please, not thinking much, just grabbing some colors and making marks on the paper. I try to put the colors on the wet paper, and then I'm going to spray a little bit, as you can see now, so the colors will start traveling where the paper is dry to, and then we'll create some cool effects. I'm using just anything for the moment. I'm using the big brush to make sure that I spread the puddles of water and paint, or to blend some spots. I'm using, later on you will see, okay, the store card that I have cut in different shapes, and I will be using it as like a palette knife, a wide one or a more skinny one, and then a really pointy one that I'm going to be using to make some marks on the paper. I will even use cotton buds to make the marks for the foliages. Basically, I'll use just anything will give me the mark that I want to. I forgot also to mention that my palette is just the lid from 1 liter Greek yogurt. Yeah, it's got the separation, so I can put the colors there. It's white, and yeah, why not? So you can do lots of things to make marks on your paper. You can use anything, old pens that they're not writing. Make sure that there's no ink. You can use them to create lines. You can use just anything, basically. The back of your brush. Yeah, just anything. It's good to be inventive. And actually, if you have some new ideas, please mention them at the comments below, and we'll try them. Why not? Of course, when I'm doing all of these marks, I'm trying not to damage a lot my paper. Reason is that if I change my mind and I want to reverse it, if it's very damaged, I'm not going to be able to fix it and reverse it if I don't like the mark that I've made. But if it's a mild mark, haven't damaged the paper so much, then I can do probably something to cover it if I don't like it. So yeah, it is good to do all of these marks, abuse the paper, but if you're not sure 100% that you need that particular mark, make sure that you don't damage your paper a lot. Yeah, apparently I'm pretty much happy with this paper. It didn't buckle a lot. The color traveled nicely, and I like it. So yeah, that was a good buy. 50 sheets of A4 paper for $42 Australian. That was really good buy. I think it's less than $1 appreciate it. So, yep. Well, I'll be having a lot of fun. I'll be sharing with you. No worries. I will put it. I will put the affiliate link below, so you can go and have a look. You don't need to buy it. Just you can have a look. It's great volume for all your experiments. Okay, so there we're back again, and it's all dried up, very dry, and it's actually buckled a little bit. Nothing major, but yeah, just a little bit. And now what I will do, I'm going to add some gouache spots here and there. I'm thinking how I'm gonna do it. Probably I will use this irregular brush that I have damaged with masking fluid. I actually damaged it by purpose to get this irregular kind of shape. So then I just go and it's good for mark making, for spots or for fur, grass, irregular lines. Yeah, it's actually a very interesting tool. Now you can do obviously with old brushes. When you have a damaged old brush that you are about to throw, just dip it a little bit in masking fluid, and then even if you try to take it out, it's gonna just stay weird. It will never go back to normal. So yeah, it's working perfectly for me now. Yeah, it was an old brush. I know it's a Sennelier, but it was old brush. It has changed its shape anyway. So and now you can see what I mean. Just dry and dry. to unmask and see the truth. Okay, so it is unmasking really easily because it's dried up completely. Coming to other times that it's not dried up and then spilling. I still have to do it 180 degrees, pulling 180 degrees. Okay. Perfect. And the last one. I mean, I could put a little bit gold too, I suppose. Maybe some gold splatters would be really nice. But anyway, maybe I'll do it, make it too busy in that way. So it doesn't matter, I will leave it this way. I'm pretty pleased. I like it, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you liked it, please don't forget to thumbs up and click the notification bell so you get notified every time we are uploading something interesting. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider to do so. Yeah, I'm uploading every so often, mostly watercolors, but I'm playing around with pastels, sometimes pencils. I'm thinking a little bit oil, go back to the oils a little bit. So yeah, we'll be doing all different sort of things here. So and every time I come up with a new idea or I learn something new, I'm happy to share it with everyone, all for free. So yeah, consider subscribe, why not? So thank you very much for watching me, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye for now.